Fred. Welcome back to Bird Island. I'm, of course, still a hero. And this war with Leonard and the pigs has no end in sight.
You stupid bird.
I guess birds and pigs will always be enemies.
Hello! I come in peace. Ouch. Fred, I know we've had our differences, but we've discovered that there's a third island.
Activate the weapon!
And they're plotting to destroy us all. And here's the scary part. We need to put aside our differences and work together.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Each of you has been selected because you're the best that we could find.
We gotta be prepared for anything, is what my assistant was going to say.
Assistant? You're the assistant. No.
Okay.
Real team set. What? Really?
Okay, guys, let's do this.
This is it? This is the amazing team I've been working around the clock for. Well, that's disappointing.
We run this.